Getting ready for our next round of snow heading in here for tomorrow evening and through your Thursday. Pretty much off and on snow showers to carry us for the rest of the week heading into the weekend. Tonight, we look for some mostly cloudy conditions building back in with some fog and low cloud cover. It's going to be pretty chilly. Lows heading back into the lower teens. Snow starts to arrive Wednesday evening, and then the temps are going to actually start to warm slightly. Temperatures are going to warm with the approaching moisture and the winds being driven out of the southwest, because the storm for us here is heading out of the southwest, which will bump our temperatures up with the added hit of moisture. But we are going to get into that sweet spot of temperatures into the upper 20s to mid 30s. When we're about 25 to 35 degrees, in that 10-degree zone, and we have an approaching storm system, that's our sweet spot to get some good accumulating snowfall, especially into the mountain locations. Even though temperatures in the Snake River Plain might hover around freezing, you've heard the old adage, when we get cold, dry, it's too cold to snow. Well, we're actually adding in a little bit of some warmer conditions to bring in the snow as we head into your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as well. Let's go to Vipercast, 10 o'clock tonight. Not much happening in terms of snowfall. A few flurries, some fog, low cloud cover trying to build back in overnight. Tomorrow morning, early on, around 6 o'clock, we'll just start to see the rain and snow getting out towards Boise and central Idaho, spreading into Stanley, and just starting to make their way into Charleston Salmon, but most of the snow actually going around Charleston Salmon into the mountains and foothills. As we get into Wednesday evening at around dinner time, that's when snow showers start enveloping eastern Idaho, heading through western Wyoming. We'll see off and on snow showers throughout your Wednesday overnight into Thursday morning. Thursday, there's another round of snow that could bring in another couple of inches by Thursday around dinner time, 6 or 7 o'clock. That's the next good push of snow. How much snow? 1 to 3 inches in the Snake River Plain between now and Thursday, 2 to 4 inches in Jackson and Driggs, less than an inch in town for Salmon and Challis. Sawtooth regions are getting around 2 to 5 inches, and the Tetons and the far eastern Idaho mountains 4 to 8 inches of powder, with the winter weather advisory in place for good reason. And we're pretty much calling this a mountain snow event with passing snow showers 1 to 2 inches in the Snake River Plain for tomorrow evening. 30 degrees in Idaho Falls, 33 for Blackfoot tomorrow, 36 in Pocatello, 40 in Burley. Burley and Twin could actually be looking more towards a rain-snow mix. 30 for Salmon, 34 in Challis with a 34 in Stanley. Rexburg, you're hitting a high of 30 before the snow flies. 30 for Driggs, 30 in Island Park, 26 in West Yellowstone, and we'll see the lower 30s for Malad City and Preston with the lower 30s in Lava Hot Springs. Your 8-day outlook moving forward, you're going to see windy conditions, scattered snow showers, and then we'll see off and on snow flurries, light snow to get us into the weekend. No major storms expected on Saturday. It's pretty much the leftovers of this system coming through, and then there's another cold front that's going to make its way through on Sunday. It's not really a strong cold front. It's more of just a wind front that's going to blow through on Sunday through Monday. But temperatures are staying fairly consistent here. Mid to lower 30s in Pocatello with a high of 36 tomorrow. Lower to mid 30s on Thursday. And we'll see 36 degrees on Saturday with some wind. Rexburg, you're hitting highs here at around the 30-degree mark for tomorrow. 27 on Thursday with a couple of inches by Wednesday evening. We're hitting temperatures into the upper 20s, lower 30s this weekend. Slight chance of snow to round out your weekend. Blackfoot pulling in highs here around 33 for tomorrow. 30 degrees on Thursday, lower to mid 30s this weekend with actually some dark clouds also all of next week. Scattered snow showers and flurries will start coming back around here as we head into the Blackfoot and Snake River Plain area. Salmon, you get your break on Sunday, but you have a brief break on Sunday in Salmon there as more snow starts to get in for the middle of next week. Scattered snow showers and Salmon, highs around the upper 20s to lower 30s. Jackson heading into the high country. This is great news for the ski resorts, and we are getting wind in Jackson, but we're going to have temperatures into the mid-20s to upper 20s with scattered snow showers. Of course, most of the heavy snow on those westward-facing slopes.
Yeah, which makes, well, a place like Grand Targhee, that's great for them, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a snowmaking machine.
Yeah.
And even into Jackson on the other side of the mountains, they're going to be getting some good snow as well.
Yeah.
Low-elevation resorts, Kelly Canyon, Pebble Creek, getting a couple of inches as well.
Well, good. It took long enough for it to get there, but now they're doing pretty well,
Yeah,
huh?
everybody's happy.
All right, thank you, Michael. And Governor Butch